The video essay, a form of video content made ever so popular by YouTube channels such as Nerdwriter and Every Frame a Painting. 2017 has seen an explosion of these so-called video essays on YouTube. Now that the term is here to stay, let's consider what a video essay is and could be. If you are familiar with the concept, you probably associate the video essay with audiovisual, voice-over commentary about movies and TV shows.
Comes from The Bad Sleep Well, and it focuses on two things, squares and triangles.
That's because channels such as Nerdwriter and Every Frame a Painting gained tremendous popularity thanks to their insightful and entertaining video essays about cinema. This is why many so-called video essays on YouTube, in an attempt to mimic the success of these channels, primarily deal with subjects related to film. In fact, while sifting through the academic research, which I will link below, there was no consensus that the video essay genre is limited to TV and film. Actually, the Nerdwriter channel has produced video essays on every theme you can think of, from politics to art, tech, fidget spinners, and so on. So this begs the question, if any topic qualifies, what are the criteria for a good video essay? The video essay finds its roots in the essay film genre. In his groundbreaking article, Philip Batty attempts to define the essay film as he knew it in the early 1990s. In his view, the essay film is at its core an essay, namely a written piece of work that is a search to find what one thinks about something. The essay film therefore is a visual representation of the written essay and must comply with the following criteria. The essay film must have words, either spoken, subtitled or intertitled. This cancels out other popular video genres on YouTube such as remixes and supercuts. It must also be eloquent and well written. Third of all, it must offer a single perspective. In Lopati's view, a mere compilation of contrasting ideas does not constitute an essay. While I personally see no harm in collaboration, like the famous duo Tony and Taylor from Every Frame a Painting, I understand that the argument in the video essay should represent a single point of view. Fourth, the argument should be well reasoned and thought out, so this would cancel out all rants on YouTube, right? The fifth and last criterion is a strong personal point of view. This is an interesting one because the personal view implies that objective discourse about the subject does not qualify as a video essay as such. In other words, pure explainer-style videos, like the ones produced by Vox and ASAP Science, do not qualify as a video essay, even though they sometimes share the same visual elements and aesthetics. Although the video essay arose from the essay film, the former puts more emphasis on critical thinking. In the words of the well-known video essayist Kevin B. Lee, the more thinking on a subject that can be discerned in a video, the more it can qualify as a video essay. The video essay, in my opinion, is such a powerful genre because it uses audiovisual elements like news articles, pictures, movie clips, interviews, music to present an idea or argument in a way that a written essay never could. By combining words with visuals, new insights, emotions, and meanings to an argument can emerge. This explains why video essays work so well in the context of film criticism.
Down again, we get a very simple triangle. Two sets of eyes and the bag with the stolen money.
As it makes sense to actually show the cinematic clips when constructing your argument. The same logic applies to video essays about game design, like the game Theorists, for example. Ultimately, video essays are a fascinating form of entertainment because they convey a personal opinion. In today's day and age, there is an abundance of information available. So there's definitely a need for critical, concise, and entertaining analyses. This defines a good video essay in my opinion. It conveys personal thoughts and ideas on a certain topic by drawing from a myriad of information resources. Now there's just one question left to ask. Would you qualify this video as a video essay? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! By the way, a list of my favorite video essays is coming up, so consider subscribing if you don't want to miss it. Bye!